Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to introduce you another hot selling product, Softel dual band 4GE ONT with CATV with Wi-Fi. This product package is 20 inner boxes per carton. Carton dimension is 580 mm times 565 mm times 280 mm. Now let me show the product. Let's open it. And we pick a small box for showing. As you can see, the ONT is well packed in plastic bag, and there is a cardboard to avoid shipment during transportation. Except the main machine, we also matched one piece of power cable. As you can see, this ONU is dual band, dual model with 4 antennas for sending Wi-Fi signals. As you can see, there are RF ports, 1 fiber input, 4 LAN ports, 1 power port, and 1 power button. And these are some signal lights on the surface for showing working situation, and some cooling designs to low down the machine temperature. And please check the label for detailed specifications. Actually, this ONT is compatible with Huawei and ZTE. You can take a sample for testing. Okay, believe that you have a plain understanding of our ONT. See you next time.